That's one down. Time for more. Ow! That hurt. I remember this room. It's actually kinda glitchy. Or something. Oh well. Time for the second one. Jump in there, my fat butt! Yahoo! I like this. That's where that mushroom was. Yep. Oof. Yep. Yippee-oo! Wee! Wonder where he is now. Of course, the mountainside. Time to go to the mountainside. Now, just where is it? I think it's up. My fat butt. I think it likes me a little too much. Yep. Got that. Something's odd. Something's odd here. Maybe... Whoa! What? I don't want to do this. But if you get to the end, you'll find me. Oh, goody goody. Speed up! Yeah, right. Moon Jump can help me. Stupid cheap Nintendo. Ah! That was so tiny, yet I hit it. Eep! Going a little too fast for my fat butt. Woohoo! Time for ownage. Shadow Mario, where are you? Don't look in the other corner. That hurt.